Cockland. I don't know. -5 bar right here. They got good deals on shots and beers and those big ass flat. $5 shots, $5 cocktails, $5 daiquiri. They won 3 games last year, the Raiders did, and the prices didn't change. I was going to get a bunch of stuff if they gave me 90% off. I wanted a jacket for $10, but it didn't happen. They think their stuff's still worth, even after they're a 3-win team. I think they're going to get 4 this year. Go out on a limb. Really way out on the limb to say 4. Guinness. That's not the world record guy, is it? I don't think it is, no. It's a beer guy. This is an authentic Irish pub right here. Oh, another Fantasyland. This just opened at Westgate. Same owners, same people, Fantasyland. Oh, I didn't see Hello Kitty in there. Is that Hello Kitty? Hello Kitty. Might not be. She didn't even wink. If she was really the kitty, she would have winked. This is a pub, a really dark pub. Oh my God, it smelled like vomit in there. Hey, not that there's anything wrong with that. I mean, this is New Orleans, right? Wait a minute. It's not New Orleans. Why in the world did it smell like vomit in there? Well, I guess somebody just vomited. That might be why. They can probably fix that. Socks, more socks. 5 get the 6 free. Who would have thought the most successful little shops in Vegas would be selling socks? They're all over the place. If they weren't successful, they'd be all out of business, wouldn't they? Lick. They used to have a sign that says it ain't gonna lick itself. Wonder why they took that down. That might have a double meaning, I'm not sure. My mind doesn't work like that. A hat store. You can get socks and a hat right here in this Mandalay shops. This place will embarrass the living dog shit out of you with a mariachi band. Get right up in your grill. Burst your bubble. I showed you a video of the mariachi band. That was a long time ago. I probably can't find it because I've got over 3,300 videos on YouTube. That's the problem when you have too many, you can't find shit. It's Wahlburgers. He's got his hands in too much stuff. He needs to concentrate on acting. You ever see the movie Gambler? Starring that guy, Wahlberger? Oh my God, that was a horrible movie. I watched it because I like him as a person. But man, did he disappoint me in that movie.
Well, he didn't write it. He didn't produce it. All he did was act in it. His acting was good. The whole thing was just dumb. It's amazing when they write a movie or they produce a movie about gambling and they don't talk to anyone that's a gambler. But this place right here has really good slice price, considering where we're standing right here, because there's no competition. They could easily get more than this. Cheese slice, $6.95. All the way to the specialty, $8.95. See that specialty in the back? I guarantee you that's the shit right there. That looks pretty good too. So does that one in the back. Yeah, I bet it's good. So I'll take a nap. Now this also is not a bad deal. $16 for a rum river. Patron Daiquiri. $20. Look at those big ass, what are those? What do those cost? Monster Yard, $24, $15 refill. That's the way to go. Especially if you're walking around with a girl, you give her that in the morning, and you'll be finished with her before 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You know what I mean?